How to use Rocket Money for budgeting and saving. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Rocket Money, formerly known as Truebill, for budgeting and saving money. If you're struggling to manage your finances, keep up with subscriptions, or save money consistently, Rocket Money is one of the most user-friendly personal finance applications out there. Let's break down how to use it effectively, step by step, so you can start saving smarter, not harder. And so, let's talk about what is Rocket Money. Rocket Money is an all-in-one personal finance application owned by Rocket Companies, the same group behind Rocket Mortgage. This application connects to your bank account and credit card and analyzes your spending. Basically, it automatically tracks your expenses, finds subscription that you're paying for, and even helps you cancel the ones that you don't want anymore. You can also negotiate bills like your cable, phone, and internet directly through the application. Think of it as your automated financial assistant that helps you save without lifting a finger. And so, how can you go ahead and set up and get Rocket Money application? You can just go ahead and get the application from the App Store or Google Play Store depending on the device that you are using. So inside your Android phones, just head over to Google Play Store, search for Rocket Money, and simply inside, you then want to navigate through the Rocket Money application. Unfortunately, Rocket Money is not available in each country, so you have to go ahead and check whether Rocket Money is available on your region or country. You can just search for Rocket Money country or region restrictions. Now, if you're using an Apple device, just head over to your App Store, and from here, once again, you want to search for Rocket Money. If you see Rocket Money inside the App Store, it means that it is available on your country. So you can just go ahead and navigate through the application, click on download and install, and you will be able to simply get Rocket Money on your mobile devices. Right after, you can then create an account using your email or sign in with your Google or Apple ID. From there, you just have to connect your bank account and credit card securely through the application. Now, once connected, Rocket Money will start analyzing your transaction. Basically, within minutes, you'll see a dashboard showing your spending breakdown, recurring subscription, and upcoming bills, and basically more. And so, let's talk about using Rocket Money for budgeting. Here's how to use Rocket Money to set up a monthly budget. So you want to simply head over to your account's dashboard right here. Once inside, just go ahead and navigate through the Manage Budget options. Tap on the Budget tab in the main dashboard. Unfortunately, I cannot show you the on-screen instructions right here because Rocket Money isn't available for some other countries. Once again, Rocket Money as of the moment is only available for US residents. So only US residents can go ahead and get this application. But to simply use this for budgets, you just want to head over to your dashboard right here, navigate through the Manage Budget options, and simply inside, you then want to simply choose or create spending categories. For example, with this one, we have the monthly income with 4,500, and we have the bills and utilities at 1,305. So these categories can be like groceries, dining, travel, or subscriptions. With this one right here, we have shopping, dining and drinks, and more. Now, we can just assign limits to each category based on your income and goals. This application tracks real-time spending and shows how close you are to hitting those limits. Now, what's great is that Rocket Money automatically categorizes your expenses for you. You can recategorize it or any transaction manually. Now, it also offers monthly spending reports so you can evaluate how well you're sticking to your plan. From there, We can also use or start using the smart saving feature. One of Rocket Money's most powerful feature is smart saving. Now, you set a saving goal, like building an emergency fund or saving for a trip. You can choose how much you want to save weekly or monthly. Now, with that, Rocket Money will automatically transfer small amounts from your checking account into a secure saving account. Now, you can pause or withdraw the saving anytime. The application ensures that it only moves money when it senses that you can afford it, preventing overdrafts. Now, with this small savings right here, eventually it turns into a big one. As you can see, with this one, Rocket Money will automatically deposit small amounts of money into your savings account, making sure that we hit our goal on time. From there, just to save a little bit more, they also have another feature called subscription management. Now, your budget can't be accurate if you forgot about the auto pay subscription. Rocket Money scans your account and shows all active subscriptions in one place. Now, you can cancel subscriptions with one tap, and Rocket Money can even cancel some on your behalf. You'll also receive alerts when a subscription renews or if there's a price increase. It's helpful for staying within a budget. As you can see, as an example with this one, we have 5 subscriptions in total. And overall, that's $4,113 per year. Now we have a list of our subscriptions, and if we have a subscriptions that we don't regularly use, we can just go ahead and cancel a subscription straight from the application. Now, for additional tools to go ahead and save additional money, Rocket Money includes more tools to help you budget better. Number 1, you have bill negotiation. You can upload your internet or phone bill, and Rocket Money will negotiate for lower rates. Now, with this one, Rocket Money will try to go ahead and get a fee when they go ahead and save you money. Now, another tool is going to be the network tracking. You can track your assets versus liabilities. And lastly, we have the credit score monitoring. You can get real-time updates and tips on improving your score. These tools help you manage both spending and savings in one place. And lastly, we have free versus premium plan. Rocket Money offers a freemium model. The free version gives you access to basic tracking, budgeting, and spending reports. Premium unlocks advanced budgeting, smart savings automation, chat support, and subscription cancellation. Premium pricing is pay what you want, typically between $3 to $12 per month. So if you're serious about saving or budgeting, premium is worth it. And so that's how you use Rocket Money for budgeting and saving on your money. Now, it's simple, smart, and automated, making it perfect for anyone who wants to take control of their money without spending hours on spreadsheets. Try it out, set your budget, active smart saving, and start trimming those subscriptions. Let me know in the comments how much Rocket Money helps you save. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more personal finance tutorials and more application tutorials and tips. As always, thanks for watching.